Meaning of improve.
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 Improve. The word improve refers to making something better or enhancing its quality. The result of improvement is a positive change in the state, condition or functionality of the thing being improved. This can manifest in various ways such as increased efficiency, productivity, or effectiveness, greater appeal, or enhanced performance. Improvement can also lead to the resolution of problems or weaknesses that previously hindered the optimal functioning of a system or process. Overall, improvement brings about desirable outcomes that offer benefits and advantages, making it an essential aspect of growth and development in various fields.